In this video, we're going to show you how to fix PS5 randomly turning off. All right, so there are a few things you should consider and know. The first one is make sure your power cable is connected properly, plugged into a wall outlet, and isn't worn out. The second one is if your PS5 doesn't have the latest firmware updated via your console settings. And the last thing you should know is that you need to clear away anything that could cause ventilation issues. If your PS5 is dusty, you may need to take it apart to clean out the interior fans. So the first method to do, what you need to do is to reconnect the power cable. It's very self-explanatory, as you can see here in this image. Turn off the PS5 if it's not already off. If the power cable is not plugged in correctly, it can lead to your PS5 turning off randomly because the power is cutting out. The second method is to ensure the power cable is securely connected to the console. Push the power cable into the console to make sure it's seated properly. Third method is to ensure the power cable is securely plugged into the outlet. Push the power cable into the outlet to make sure it is properly connected. So if your PS5 is plugged into a power strip or extension cord, make sure the cord is securely connected to the wall outlet. It is not loose. And the fourth method is turn the power console on. Use your console to see if the power issues persist. If not, you might need to bring it to a service center. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.